Let's talk battle rifles. At 247. This thing is nasty. It's 308. Biggest thing about it is I can one hand this puppy and still go with it. This Yankee Hill Resonator. It's a nice little can. Is it the quietest? Is it the best? No, but I'm not spending $1,800 on a suppressor when I'm just damn plinking. I'll never act like I'm an operator. I go and shoot to have fun. Again, 247, dude. It doesn't get no better than this. IWI, obviously 7.62 NATO. It's just a phenomenal battle rifle. Greatest thing I like about it is, again, I can hold this thing and not have any issues. Now, should I have put this 6 Sauer on top of here, especially just being a battle rifle? I don't know, it's cool. But I do got the offset going on there. Again, battle rifle. A lot of people aren't into bullpups, but I am. I love them. Let me know what you think.